Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemistry is Fun. Today we will study packing efficiency part 2 for the chapter solid state for class 12. Now see students, we have already started the topic and just to revise, I'll just revise once. So we can define packing efficiency as the percentage ratio of space obtained by the constituent particles which are packed within the lattice. So it is a ratio of space obtained by constituent particles which are packed within the lattice. And we find that the cubic closed pack or CCP and the hexagonal closed pack or HCP are the two efficient lattices when we consider the packing. The packing efficiency for both of these is 74%. Okay. So now let us see the packing efficiency in CCP structures. In cubic closed packing, we will take that the unit cell edge length be A. Unit cell edge length. This is the unit cell. In that edge length, any edge we can take as small a, and the face diagonal is B. We can see here face diagonal is small b and edge length is small a. Now in this here you see we take the triangle ABC. ABC. For this triangle ABC, AC square is taken as B, small b. That will be equal to B square plus AB square. BC square plus AB square. AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. This is B2C BC and this is AB. You can see in this figure. And that is equal to small b square. But what is BC? B2C is small a. BC is small a. AB is also a. So this becomes a square plus a square, that is equal to 2a square. So we find that b square equal to 2a square. By calculation, b is equal to root 2a. B square is 2a square, so b will be equal to root 2a. Now if r is the radius of the sphere, then b is equal to 4r. We go back once again. B is equal to 4r. You see here, this small b will be equal to 4r. This is 1r, second, third, fourth. B is equal to 4r. But b is also equal to root 2a. We have seen here b is equal to root 2a. Also b is equal to 4r. So b equal to 4r equal to root 2a. So from here we find that a is equal to 4r by root 2. We just shift root 2 to the other side. So a is equal to 4r by root 2. On calculating we get it as 2 root 2r. 2 root 2r. And we again shift. A is equal to 2 root 2r. So r will be equal to a by 2 root 2. Each unit cell in CCP structure has 4 spheres. Okay. So total volume of 4 spheres will be equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. And volume of the cube is a cube. A is equal to 2 root 2r, so it will be 2 root 2r whole cube. So now we find packing efficiency equal to volume occupied by 4 spheres in unit cell into 100 divided by total volume of the unit cell percent. So on putting the values we get it as 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100 divided by 2 root 2r whole cube percent. So we just have put the values which we calculated above. On calculation, 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 4 is 16, so it is 16 by 3 pi r cube into 100 by 2 root 2 r whole cube, so it becomes 16 root 2 r cube percent. On calculation it comes out to be 74%. The same packing efficiency occurs in HCP arrangement also. You will get the same packing efficiency for HCP arrangement also. Next we will see two numericals. First one is lithium forms body-centered cubic crystals. Calculate the atomic radius of lithium if the length of the side of a unit cell of lithium is 351 picometers. Now see students, in body-centered cubic crystals R equal to root 3 by 4a. Okay, R equal to root 3 by 4a. So we put the values. So it is root 3 by 4 into a value they have given 351. So that we put here. On calculating we get 151.98 picometers. 151.98 picometers. One more numerical, it may help you in your exam. Ammonium chloride crystallizes in a body-centered cubic lattice with a unit distance of 387 picometer. Calculate the distance between oppositely charged ions. Now in case of a body-centered cubic lattice, the oppositely charged ions touch each other. How? Along the cross diagonal of the cube. So here it will be 2 into Rc, that is for cation, plus 2 into Ra for anion will be equal to root 3a. So we can take 2 common, 2 goes to the other side, it becomes Rc plus Ra equal to root 3 by 2 into a. Putting the value of a as 387, we get Rc plus Ra equal to root 3 by 2 into 387, which is equal to 335.15 picometers. So these are the two numericals. I hope students you all could understand the topic which I discussed today. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.